So the HTTP trigger is the most common trigger in HTTP function. It allows function to be executed based on HTTP request. So use cases for HTTP trigger, we can build API, we can build webhooks, and we can also develop use this in integration as well. The core principle for the HTTP trigger is that a function method is triggered as soon as HTTP request is received, and it returns a corresponding response. So this is some basic about the HTTP trigger. So here you will I will show you how you can create HTTP trigger in Visual Studio. First you will go to the file. First you will go file, then you will click new project. So here is the create new project window. So you will search function. So you can see here this is a function template. You will select it function, then you will give name. So you can see here I will give name demo azure function, demo function, and you will select the path, you will select the directory solution name, then you will select next. Okay, so you can see here once you select the function name and solution name, here you will see some important thing like function worker. So there is multiple choices, so I will go .NET 9 isolated version, and here is the function list. When you select the Azure function, you will see the different Azure function like SQL trigger, single R trigger, RabbitMQ trigger. So I will select the HTTP trigger, and the second important thing is the function. So you can see here when I select the function, you will see three things like function, anonymous, and admin. So what is these three things? This is like authorization level. Like the first one is the anonymous. Anonymous means no access key is required in this case, and the other one is the function. Function specific key is required, and the third one is the admin. For admin we will require master key. So this is three authorization level. I will select function level authorization level that will require function specific key. Then you will select click create. So when you click on create, it will create the function. So I already created, so that's why I will not create it again. So once you create it, you will see a function like this. It will return the Azure IX result. It's the name of the Azure function, and this is the type HTTP trigger, and this is the authorization level, which is the function. Function specific key will be required, and it's a post, and this is the root of the function, and it will accept HTTP request, and it will process the HTTP request. So this is all about the HTTP trigger. If you want to learn more about Azure function, a different trigger, serverless and microservices, so subscribe to this channel and check out the practical serverless and microservices in C# course.